Welcome to this video on Readily 3D's Tomolite volumetric printer, the next step in light-based bioprinting. Most 3D printers nowadays operate on a layer-by-layer fabrication process, such as extrusion or stereolithography. Common limitations of such approach include low throughput and its trade-off with resolution, the need for support to prevent deformation during the print, especially with soft materials that would collapse under their own weight, difficulties with cavities and vasculatures, the challenge to maintain contaminant-free environments, and the harsh conditions faced by cells in those devices. At Readily 3D, we develop volumetric bioprinters. Volumetric printing refers to methods of 3D printing where the entire object is produced at once, instead of layer by layer. This technology allows the direct printing of cell-laden materials with very good viability, mainly thanks to its high speed and low photoinitiator concentration requirement. The printing speed is independent of object size and resolution, which makes it possible to print centimeter-scale constructs with 100 microns precision. Moreover, structures are supported by the resin itself, making it easy to print cavities, porosity, or vasculature. Printing occurs within a sealed, sterile container, without any contact between the printer and the resin, which prevents contamination and shear stress. The process used in Readily 3D's printers is tomographic printing, which is inspired by medical tomography. A medical CT scanner is a device which acquires X-ray pictures of patients at several rotation angles around them. A mathematical formula, called the radon transform, gives the relationship between the object and the projections, and allows to calculate one from the other. In a tomographic printer, this process is used in reverse. A light beam is modulated by a projector chip and directed to a rotating volume of photosensitive material. Light projections are then sent into this volume, and the object is formed. This new process is extremely rapid and opens up use cases that were previously out of reach from conventional printers. Our main product is the Tomolite V2 bioprinter. It comes in two variants and features a 28 microns pixel size, an adaptable build volume, and a light source at 400 or 405 nanometers depending on the model. The Tomolite is a modular machine, and Readily 3D already offers a multi-wavelength laser as well as a high-resolution camera add-ons. Any future module will be retro-compatible with the Tomolite V2. The Tomolite is a CE-marked, compact bioprinter that fits conveniently onto a desk or a laboratory bench. In this machine, your resin is protected by a sealed cartridge, whose glass printing vial and cap can be autoclaved and reused multiple times. It is not necessary to clean the printer itself, nor to operate it inside a biosafety cabinet or clean room, since there is never any contact between the printer and your material. We supply a range of different container sizes, which gives you the opportunity to choose between printing large structures or save on resin. Our software Apparite guides you through all the necessary steps to configure your print. You start by loading your 3D model in STL format. Objects can be freely adjusted within the build volume, and multiple models can even be stacked or overlapped in the same print. It is also possible to directly embed one construct within another. After model selection, you can visualize the sliced version of your model and preview the light distribution that the printer will generate for each cross-sectional area of the object, allowing you to preemptively assess the printability and fidelity of your 3D construct before readjusting the print parameters accordingly. The Tomolite also possesses the unique ability of performing multi-stiffness printing by applying a gradient of light dose either axially, radially, or localized within the bulk of the object. Using our software, tomographic calculations just take a few tens of seconds. Once all the parameters are set, the light patterns can be loaded onto the machine and the printing can start. The camera monitors the process in real time. After the print, a simple post-processing procedure releases the object from the uncured resin. All in all, a few minutes is all it takes to produce a centimeter-scale construct. The printer can produce many different types of geometries, including porous, vascularized, and hollow structures. Besides hydrogel, the Tomolite is also compatible with other types of photosensitive materials, such as acrylics and even silicone. Our technology additionally grants the ability to print with multiple materials in a single structure. The main parameter in tomographic printing is the light dose needed to form the object. We provide a dose test protocol and the corresponding accessories to find this value using a minimal amount of resin. Tomographic printing is a gentle process. The printing times are extremely short, and the amount of light is very low. Combined with the absence of shear forces and contaminants, this leads to an excellent cell viability. In summary, the Tomolite printer helps you scale up your experiments, try a new range of materials and geometries, and print sensitive cells using a gentle process. Find out more on our website at readily3d.com. At Readily 3D, we help life scientists push the frontiers of biofabrication.